In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your voice on Shotcut. This is a quick, reliable way to make your voice sound higher, lower, or just a little different using the tools already built into Shotcut. Start by selecting your video clip so Shotcut knows which audio you want to change. Just click your video in the timeline or in the playlist. With the clip selected, open the Filters panel. You'll see a plus icon that lets you add effects to your clip. Click the plus sign, then search for the filter named Pitch. Add that filter to your clip. Once the pitch filter is applied, look for the control called Octave Shift. This is the setting that changes how your voice sounds. Moving the value up will raise the pitch, giving you a brighter, higher voice. Moving it down will lower the pitch, giving you a deeper sound. For subtle natural changes, try small shifts, fractions like 0.2 to 0.5. For a more dramatic effect, larger values like plus or minus 1 octave will create that cartoon high or deep voice style. The key is to make small adjustments and listen as you fine-tune until it feels right for your project. Sometimes changing pitch can also change how loud the audio feels. If it ends up too loud or too quiet, you can balance it without touching the pitch again. With the same clip still selected, click the plus sign in the Filters panel once more and search for Gain Volume. Add that filter. Use the gain or decibel control to adjust your level. Start with modest adjustments, like 1 or 2 decibels at a time. Aim for a comfortable, clear volume that doesn't distort. If you see the meters hitting the red, reduce the gain a little. If it's too faint, bring it up until it sits nicely in the green or light yellow. You can keep moving between the pitch filter and the gain volume filter to dial in both the tone and the loudness. Small changes often make the biggest difference, and the combination of pitch and gain is usually all you need to get a convincing result. And that's it. That's how to change your voice on Shotcut. Select your clip, add the pitch filter, and adjust the octave shift, then add gain/volume if you need to fine-tune loudness. If you found this helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching.
I'm going to teach you how to add a transparent video overlay in Shotcut. A transparent video overlay is a great way to layer